All right. The motor's in. Fluids are checked. Leave that open to top it off. Oil pump has been primed. Timing is set. I went ahead and just marked the cam sensor with 3 black marks and 1 blue mark. I'm gonna put the phone down for a second. That way, if it ever gets removed, if you put number 1 cylinder on top dead center, then you can just throw the sensor back in without having to do all the bullshit I had to do to get it ready. It's really easy though, either way. The oil systems on these engines, they're notorious for getting an air pocket. So when I spun the oil pump over with the drill, I just went ahead and loosened the oil filter and purged the air. A lot of guys do it with the engine running. I just do it with the drill. That way you don't have to mess with it. Fuel's been primed. Let's see, everything else is hooked up. She's ready to roll. Alternator's hooked up, new belt, new pulleys. All the lights, grounds, engine ground, firewall ground, hood ground. Yeah, she should be ready to go. Let's give her a shot. She should build oil pressure almost immediately. All right. Oil pressure's coming up. That's a good sign. I'll just have to hook up and clear the check engine light. She's idling smooth. Look at that. Alternator's working. Nice. Nice. That's a lot of work. Get the water pump moving. Top this off while it's running. Let her warm up a little bit. A lot of smoke. It's going to have a lot of shit to burn off. Probably open the garage door. Got a lot of WD-40 and a lot of fingerprints and oil and handing C's, all sorts of stuff going on. So that's gonna take a minute. Once the thermostat opens, I'll have to top this off again. A lot of air in there yet. All right, well there you go, man. She's running. Well, we got one headlight not working. What's going on there? I have to figure that out. There's one headlight not working. All right. All the other lights are working. Leaks. It's a good sign the water pump's turning in the right direction. Go ahead and close that so we can build up some pressure. We'll open this. We'll let her run for a minute. Watch that oil pressure. But I'm going to keep an eye on this thing, keep working. She's up and running. Got a lot to burn off there. Talk to you later, man. Bye.